Chiva Chiva Pakistan. I like Pakistan.
We're shooting with one of my favorite stars in Turkey. And who is that? Didem. She is fantastic. And there's hi! Hello everybody! Okay, so this is Didem. This is the most beautiful face for Maria B. Linen. And we're very excited. Didem, how do you like your clothes? Zabardast. Wow! She said Zabardast. Okay, this is amazing. And not only is the clothes she finds Zabardast, she herself is Zabardast. She is such a sweet person. We are here to tell Turkey how much we love them. Pakistan and Turkey are like, yeah.
Chiva Chiva Pakistan.
Woo!
Yes,
it's her! We are such big fans of this wonderful, beautiful actress. She is amazing. We're having so much fun and we are so proud to be associated with Didem. She's fantastic and this is the first for Pakistan and she has something to say for Pakistan.
Chiva Chiva Pakistan.
I like Pakistan. We love you back. Turkey and Pakistan are right there in our hearts. So let's see how you like the shoot. We love her and we love Turkey. I'm in the car with Didem. Hello. With the beautiful ladies. Hi. Hi. So it's the three of us together driving for the last shot and she looks amazing. And it's been such a good experience. So we love you once again.
Yeah, we love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Gorgeous ladies, both of them.